napanood yung trailer. Yun lamang ang pag-usapan natin. And it's a journey of looking back. Let's look back. Yun nga sabi mo kanina, mga bata pa kayo, you're doing television show. Meron ba kayong sense na magagaling na kayo noon? Did you have a sense that all the things that happened in your life ay mangyayari? What were you thinking during that time? Let's look back. Ikaw, Patrick.
Well, the journey is not yet finished. And looking back, hindi ko akalain na tatagal ako sa industriyang nito na ganito katagal.
Bakit?
Siyempre, bata ako nagsimula eh. Hindi ko naman iniisip.
So, laro lang.
Malayo eh. So,
hindi mo sinabi na I'm gonna be here for the rest of my life? Nothing? Okay. Alright. Pero alam mong early on in your career na mahusay ka na. Were you being told that?
Hindi. Ako ayoko na mapagalitan ng direktor. Yun lang sa akin.
Ikaw, Pao?
Ako iba eh, makapal mukha ako talaga. I wanted to perform. Hindi ako takot sa camera. Actually, before yung brother ko yung nag-o-audition, si kuya ko. Pero ako yung may gusto talaga eh. Ako yung may gustong mag-artista. So this is what I really wanted.
Pero may mga pagkakataon din, Paolo, na marami kang pinagdaan ng rejections.
Yes, marami.
You auditioned for something, you wanted it so badly, but you didn't get it.
Madami.
May ganon?
Madami. At saka before talaga nag-audition ka.
That's why I asked.
Ang TV was...
ang TV,
audition tayo.
We auditioned. Nasa labas pa ako ng station. Kasi ang haba ng pila eh. So umabot ako sa labas talaga. So that's how much I wanted it.
So doon sa mga pagkakataon, Patrick, Paolo, na hindi kayo natatanggap, maraming bata ang nanonood, ano ang ginagawa ninyo? What kind of support system would you get?
Para sa akin, laban lang. Kung hindi ka natatanggap, basta gusto mong gawin, or may passion ka para...
Were you competitive?
I don't know if I was. Basta, once I was given something, I'll do my best.
Ikaw, Paolo?
Not thinking of the competition.
I know.
Yeah.
Oo, parang,
Yeah.
I will do what I'm supposed to
Bahala kayo
do.
dyan, ako ito gagawin ko.
Oo.
Yung mom ko, competitive. Oo. Talaga tinuruan ako maging...
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Ma. Tinuruan niya ako maging competitive talaga na, to do your best. Kapag may konting mali, kahit sa eksena, pinagsasabihan ako kagad nun. So, pili ko doon ako natuto talaga.
Alam mo what I'm hearing now is, ako bilang manager, let me talk as a manager. People would say, and I respect this, no, I don't compete with anybody, I compete with myself. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. Pero ako gusto ko yung talent, gusto ko yung artista na I am okay competing with others.
Yes.
I am, because napaka-competitive ng business nito. Ang sarap panoorin, anong ginagawa niya, ano ang ginagawa ng industriya, ano ang SMUSK ng panahong ito, because you have to be aware of all these things.
Yes.
At paano ako kikilos? That's competition.
Yeah.
Diba? And you shouldn't be afraid to compete.
Ako, I watch my co-actors. Minsan,
You do?
Ano ko, kung anong...
They compete with me. I don't compete with them.
No, but it's good, ha? Pero, kayo rin, you've been friends for a long time, pero, Pao, walang isang araw sa buhay mo na inisip mo na ayoko nang mag-artista.
Ako, wala.
Wala, no?
Ako, wala.
You really stay.
I love acting. Yung iba na parte ng acting, lalo sa panahon ngayon, tinatanggap ko lang dahil gusto kong umarte.
Okay.
Para sa akin, yun yung gusto ko.
And outside of what you do as an actor, kasi malaking bagay din yung buhay, no? Sa dami ng kontrobersiya na pinagdaanan mo, hindi ka talaga nagdalawang isip. I will continue what I'm doing.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes.
Patrick, as opposed to you, because there is this perception na parang, ayaw na ba ni Patrick?
Gusto ko pa. Yung journey ko sa industriyang ito, syempre, nung 2019, I decided to do something else. But 2020, babalik sana ako, pero pandemya. And hindi ako tumanggap ng trabahong bubble. Kasi may pamilya ako.
Right.
Yun. So, medyo, yung pagbalik ko sa industriya, medyo nagtagal because of the pandemic and the bubble setup.
I get it.